Day 9. Hey, Coach Greg here at Sculpt Training. This is the 10-day Sculpt Sweat Workout Challenge. And like I just said, this is day 9. We are almost done with this workout series. We got a full body workout for you. Let's get started. We are gonna start off with some boxer balances, get our body nice and loose. We got 30 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Let's get hopping. The goal is just to switch your weight from foot to foot. I like to, flail my arms around, get nice and loose. Now, if you can't leave the ground or if this is too much for you, feel free to just focus on heel rocks. Just like this, get up on your tippy toes. Goal is we just want to move our body. Boom, just like this. But if you can, really focus on something like this. Prime yourself. All right, second exercise, we have single leg deadlifts. Stand up nice and tall. We're gonna alternate between bringing one leg back. I'll show you in just a second. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. We're hinging from our hips. One leg is gonna be back behind us. And we're gonna pull ourselves back up. Boom. This is your deadlift. You don't have to keep that back leg straight. You can keep it bent like this. This works out too, but we are focusing, you're gonna feel all in the back of your legs. You're using your core to power yourself back up. Boom. Just like a deadlift, just on one leg. There it is. Let's do one more. And done. Great job moving along. We have some knee repeaters. Again, this is full body, but this is also sculpt and sweat. So we are gonna get our sweat on. We're gonna alternate between bringing our knee back, boom. Just like this. 30 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Just drive that knee. There it is. This is a ab exercise, also a full body. Our arms are extended. We're using our legs. Have a strong, stable base. Come on. Get a nice cadence. You don't need to go super fast. Just increase the intensity a bit. You want to feel every crunch. I mean, there shouldn't be any crunching sounds, but you know what I mean. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Last, we have some TYIs. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Knees are slightly bent, core is tight. We go into a T position, bring arms down, we go into a Y, and then we go into an I. Hence your TYI. Keep your core nice and tight. Really reach with your fingertips. Forgot where I was. I, T, Y, I. This one is great with some light weights. This is one of the exercises that helped me with my rotator cuff injury. Let's do one more. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Those are your exercises for day 9. You are a champion. You are ready and revving for set number 2. So it's coming at you right now. Boxer bounces. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Single leg deadlift. 3, 2, 1, go. Knee repeaters. 3, 2, 1, go. TYIs, 3, 2, 1, go. Alrighty, great job. One more set to go. You got this. Let's finish strong. We go in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Boxer bounces. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Single leg deadlift, 3, 2, 1, go. Knee repeaters, 3, 2, 1, go. TYIs, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, that is day 9. We are almost done with this 10-day Sculpt and Sweat Workout Challenge. Give yourself one of these and one of these because you earned it. Don't stop the momentum now. Tune in tomorrow with Coach Gabby. She has a great finisher workout for you that's really gonna cap this whole experience of we all had together. Again, we are thankful to be a small part of your health and fitness journey. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you later. Have fun, my friend. Peace.